this tutorial. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning basic drawing settings on Civil 3D pretty quickly. So I'm going to right click to bring back our dialog box on settings. So this is a way to bring back our dialog box on settings. So this is it. So we have talked about display. So I'm going to go to open. So this open and saved, you have your file saved as what? How do you want to save it? I want to save it as AutoCAD drawing DWG. The DWG, this is the default for all AutoCAD related file types, which has this particular color and logo. I'm going to call it logo size. So this is it. You can just pull down if you don't want it. So you can say, okay, I want it to be saved as an AutoCAD file 2004 to be saved at this. Now the interesting thing concerning this is that if your drawing is going to, if you are emailing your drawing and you forgot to save it on a lower version. Now if I want to open this particular drawing done in 2018 in 2011 Civil 3D, it might not open. It's not going to open because this version is a higher version than that one. So that is why it's good to save your drawing in a lesser version. Now if you feel you're not going to remember, so it's better you just set it as a default that okay, all my drawings should be saved as 2004 drawing. So this file can then open in any other version including 2004 Civil 3D and above. So this is a pretty cool way so to be able to get your drawing to display or to open in other versions of Civil 3D. So but I'm fine with this, so I'm going to say okay, leave it at 2018 because if I want to save, I'm going to go to save as, then I'm going to save there to the particular low version that I want. Now I have maintained visual fidelity for all objects. So this is a very good way to, this is a very good thing to check. So you can just check all these drop boxes. These are thumbnails. You can just click on it. Now you can see my thumbnail. This is my thumbnail, which is my drawing area. So this is going to display the home screen. You can set it current or you can reset for a default. So all these are pretty cool as a default. I think I like them, so I'm going to say okay. So this is a very important area to take cognizance for, because this drawing software at times it do crashes. So it is good for you to save, and when it's going to crash, it's going to take on your last saved particular activity on the software. So this is automatically saved. So I'm checking this box so make it to save automatically. Now if I will forget, but it's pretty a long period, 10 minutes. So I'm gonna say no, I don't like it, so I want to be saved 1 minute. Every 1 minute you have to save and go to auto save, even though I click on the save button or not. So every 60 seconds, so it does save for me. So even though I forget, I can remember. So it saves a drawing every 60 seconds. So I think I like this one. So it's good. 60 seconds is okay. You can just explore some other things that you really want. So there are a number of recently used files. So we have them to be 9. You can increase this number if you so desire. You can increase this number. You can make file by title if you want, but I would like it that all this for beginners, you just leave it as default. You can change this your time for save so that it helps you. You can have a digital signature if you want, but there's no valid ID, so the system cannot. So you can have a digital signature if you want, but I don't want a digital signature, so I'm going to leave it as that. Now when you're done with all of this, you will click apply and close, but you're going to plot and publish. So now plot and publish, we have the default plot setting. So plot is referred to printing in your particular this Civil 3D. So I have a printer to be set here, so but I'm going to go to Promo PDF. So I like Promo PDF, so use Promo PDF as my default printer. So whenever I'm printing, it goes to Promo PDF. But if you have a printer in your particular office, you can just choose that printer after you have installed the driver on your computer. So you can just install change this default. I use this particular printer every time I want to print, so it goes there without even you choosing a printer, so it picks it up when you want to print. So this is my default location for plot file operation, so you can change it. There's a three dot, the dialog box is coming up, so this is my document to be arranged. So you can create a new folder. If you want to create, you can just right click on this particular place, go over, create a new folder. You can just create a new folder. So if you create a new folder, you can just uh, uh, maybe name the particular folder that you want. That okay, the folder is up, so I'm going to name this particular folder. I'm going to call it civil 3D, civil 3D, civil 3D drawings. So I'm going to call it drawings. So this is where you save, is where you come to save all your drawing. Come open it, then you click, and this becomes a Z. Then after you're done, you have to click on select, but I don't want to click on select because I already have a default place to save them. So we can have, say, publish or plot. And so you can publish many drawings on your particular civil 3D that you can plot. I'm going to show you how to plot your drawings. So I'm going to show you how to plot your drawing. So we get in there. So when we get there, I'm going to show you automatically publish setting. So we're going to go to automatically publish setting. I'm going to pull this a little bit. So these are the plotting settings for your particular drawing. So I have a DXF, we have PDF, so you can plot to PDF if you particularly want, but I have a promo PDF that is set, so everything I'm going to publish is going to go to promo PDF. So I'm going to say okay, and that goes away. I'm going to say okay, plot, okay, so automatic. You can just make everything that this monochrome, that all sheets should be selected as a monochrome. Now no color, monochrome. If you want graphics, hide graphics, automatic, so you can set it to be automatic. Then later when we're plotting, you can change it. You can add a stamp to your particular drawing that you have done, so you can just go over, make a stamp and load it, put a stamp there, but I don't want a stamp on my drawing, so I'm going to say okay. So these settings are pretty cool for a beginner to work with. So that's it, guys, for this particular video tutorial. Do join us for another set of tutorials on this beginner's guide to drawing settings on civil 3D.